Hey everybody, welcome back. Sorry the delay. We have not missed anything special. We're here and let's do it, guys. Sorry the delay. Let's fix a bit the camera, a bit more on the right, a bit more lower. So right now, to be honest, when I came here, I like the fact that we can come back higher, but let me see this daily chart first. Let's don't accelerate things. Take our time and find the best setup. First, no, we are very shorty bias here. That's true. There is the level here. If I'm gonna go to the 2 minutes level, 3 months, there is an interesting level here. This previous low, but I think it's in the hour chart we can see it better. It's like we didn't grab anything. We retested, but we're still in this area of retest. One retest, support. So I'm looking at the possibility of this can be a breaker retest and a bounce back up to these levels before coming lower. That's what I was thinking, to be honest. Hello? Hello, guys, sorry the delay. So that was I was looking when I was looking at the possible bounce here in this market. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. So to be honest, this can be an interesting long. Holding this level, you will risk these lows, $140, to try to make $150. I think that's an interesting long situation. We grabbed all these people that got liquidated here. And we might look for a bounce. 1 minute and more, 30 seconds there. Good morning, Nick. Good morning. Good morning, guys. How are you guys? Everything good? Now, right now, it grabbed these previous little highs, but that's not, it's for me. Maybe we're looking more for longs to grab some highs here. That's what I'm looking for, guys. I'm looking to grab these high highs. If it closes nicely strong, I will take a long. Yeah, it's already doing it, so I will take a long here, risking these lows. Yeah, I like this long. We're very strongly pushing. I like the long idea. I will take the long idea here. We take the lows, we're holding a level on the hour level. We're holding a level on the hour level. It does look for longs, to be honest. Let's see if it gives me a better fill entry. Would be nice. And that will be a stop loss lower and a TP here. If it wants to fill me, I'm happy to enter. If it does not fill me, I will look for another entry later on. And that's 650. Yeah, I like this long. I really like this long. Just the candle is too huge to make it a nice risk reward. So if it wants to give me a pullback before doing it, I'm happy to enter long. So right now, entering from here will make me $200 to make 105. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, 0.5, risking 1 to make 0.5 now. But where I am right now is 1-to-1. So if it wants to pull back and give me a better entry, I'm happy to enter. If not, peace and love. Not gonna chase it. This market can still anyway play around and then push. So it wants to do that. I'm happy to wait. And the idea of this is this on this hour chart here. I'm liking this fact of this level. So with this push, we didn't grab anything, right? We didn't grab any highs. We didn't grab anything. We're holding this level. That was a resistance and a support and a support and a resistance, support. So I'm finding these lows, this level, holding on this area, and this high that was not taken. We came lower. We came lower in pre-market. So quite a few people right now got stopped out there. And if it wants to do it, if it doesn't want to do it. Ah, shit, sorry. Thank you for telling me. Ah, what the heck? Sorry. As much as I want you to use my code, I'm not that aggressive, okay? Not that that's too much. That's too much. not that much, okay? I mean, today's media earning, yeah. No, don't do that. The funny thing is I respect that guy because he's honest. He's like, he doesn't hide. He got caught years ago paper trading, but he's honest now, saying, yo, I make much more money from affiliate. That was insane spike. That was an insane spike, guys. Wow. That was an insane spike. Look, good job, tomato. Tomato sauce. Another day, another dollar. Did you request payout or I'm gonna kill you? I'm gonna kill you. Let's see if my trade idea will work. I had such a different entry level there because of this spike. Crazy. Don't look at the days. Just be careful to don't get squeezed by this idea of days, the green days. You can have a red day tomorrow. You have to be ready to accept it. Accept it. Work mentally in exception. Acception. Accept it. Put it in your mind. A red day can be dead. A red day can be dead. Touch wood. Touching wood, man. Touching wood for everyone. Can we get a nice push? Can we get a nice push here? Beautiful. Wow. If we close this candle very strong, that's very nice, guys. Very nice, strong candles closing right now. That's it. Let me get some water. Let me get some agua tonica. Let me get some agua tonica. Agua tonica, since azúcar, so without sugar, thanks God, it's just water. I don't want sugar in water. Taste flour. Sabor flavor de suco de baja caloría. Sabor flor de saúco. I don't freaking know. It's water. Bismillah. Market push. Push, 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 push. Come on, push. Don't get some liquidity and come back. This is already, how much I'm there? Come on. Might already move my stop loss to break even. No, I'm not gonna move my stop loss to break even. That's freaking huge. 50 minutes candle is huge. Come on. Squeeze. I'm removed one contract. I'm gonna let the other one running to TP here. Let me get it to this one. These highs. Push there, little bit more. That's 0.5. That's 0.5. Come on, you piece of crap. You're not gonna... Oh man, yeah, did AS took the highs? I did it. I'm gonna remove it. I don't like that AS took the previous high, but I'm happy there. I'm gonna take it out. $210. Could have taken a little bit more, hold it. Yes, $80 more. It's okay. I honestly was not an... yes, no. It went to full TP. It went full TP. Nick, remember this? I've done it the same as you. Taken in advance. Now I have to put in my mind that I did the right choice, but I'm... For like 10 seconds. Holding in 10 seconds more will never hit my TP more. You see that? That's my brain right now, there in that moment. Clack, 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 clack. Take profit. I saw yes taking the previous highs. I'm like, oh, take it out. At least I could have taken $30 more with that one macro contract. Full TP that I was looking for, and I got scared. I don't know, $90. So I missed $90 there. It was a $300 trade. I was risking 300. I took out 210. Why did I take out 210? Because I got emotional. It's the reality. I got emotional because the risk was there, the take profit was there, and everything was settled up. The previous market highs were here. None of these highs were taken priorly, right? This one did not take this one. This one did not take this one. This one did not take this one. So there's a lot of stop loss there. It's lessons with there. Yes, profit is profit. I will take it, guys. $200. We're in a good moment, so I'll take it. At 4 p.m. that early? You mean 4 p.m. Eastern? Usually it's after market closure, right? They should no. After market closure, it's true at 4 p.m. Not 5 p.m. 4 p.m. The markets. Yeah, no, I agree. It's dumb. La 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 la. Yeah, I would take it as a good trade, but that's again another good lesson. I was risking $308 and I take out 213, and my idea was to take $300 of profit. But we take it. No, it's called it is we're in a big dump, meaning a bubble. Let's see with NVIDIA. Let's see, so interesting because NVIDIA is the AI is a freaking machine making all this. So what do we have right now? Let me see. Gold. Let's go evaluate gold. Let's evaluate gold because right now NQ for the moment has done the move I was looking for. So there is not that much to see. Let's go to the daily chart of gold. The daily chart of gold, we pushed nicely. Piece of crap, I need the 3 months. We pushed nicely. We sold off a big, bounced, sell off again, break retest of this area. Now we're bouncing. There is some resistance here, but there is not that much. Is this the break retest to push back all-time highs in gold? I mean, to push a little bit more on the daily chart today. Let's go to the hour chart. Let's see what it did liquidate or not. Look at this. All these 4 highs were not liquidated, and today it pushed, pulled back, pushed again, squeezed all these people here. So does it right now wants to squeeze a little bit higher, holding this and this resistance and support? So we can put here a line that is right now holding. That's beautiful. It's holding right now there. I'm interested for possible longs, but I would have loved to see maybe some things be taken out before taking this long. I mean, this 3 minutes took the previous one here, but would have loved to take this one. But as well, this one took out these ones. So this is already probably enough to push it and to push it. As well here, we liquidated this previous. After we liquidated these previous highs, we pushed back and we liquidated this one. This one did not liquidate this previous one. So right now we're creating more stop loss above this. So we have resistance there with the possibility of liquidity. Do we have the possibility to enter somewhere here? Probably this would be the best entry. Even right now, stop loss in break even below this candle. After this candle took the previous one, but even that, I'm gonna leave it there. I would love to see it come back, maybe grab and closing above. That would be so sexy. But I don't think it's gonna happen. So we're gonna wait. It would have been amazing to see this come back. A nice closure above the level. You take it, stop loss, and you can aim for a nice push, 1-to-1. We're gonna leave it there. Thank you. Hey, Daniel! Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Well, these highs that did not take the previous one. So I already won. Yeah, I could have done a little bit better holding my winner, but we take the profit. $200 again on the day. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. We take a long there. What a move, yeah? After it came lower, so, and we had an hour level here, you see it? After it came lower, faked out many people, coming back, closing strong. That was a beautiful move there, continuation. Best hit. Yeah, we're gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. 50,000. What is it? 51,330. That makes the drawdown to up to 1,500. I will accept it, guys. It's been a long time. We have not seen the drawdown of these accounts back in normal level. I took this one on the first, what is it? 30, 33, 45, 6 here. Yeah, I mean, it depends on the, I'm getting more careful right now, very selective. This was a good trade. I really enjoyed it. Even if it was gonna stop me out, I think I would accept it because it was a nice liquidity grab of these levels here. This low, faked out, close strong. All these people shorting at the beginning, now they are gonna get destroyed. Any of these highs did not liquidate the previous highs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 that did not take any previous high. So even this one, 5. So we have a lot of stop loss here. And right now, it might be it's look for even more, but we're gonna leave it there. If it wants to create something prior to that level, like prior to this level, and it creates something that makes it interesting for me to look for longs, then I would be like, yes, let's go look for longs. I would be happy to take the long here if it comes back and does like some level, liquidity grab, taking an entry. Like yesterday, guys, we had, what a beautiful read yesterday. What a beautiful read yesterday. We had taken the short here. Here we're taking the short, stop loss there, and target, we took it a little bit in advance. as well. Here could have been full target, but it's okay. The second trade was this one. So, and I was looking at it to take it, to be honest. I will be honest, I was so close to take it, but just because I cannot do it anymore. So I was like, take myself out from this. But because it pushed strong, so I would have not entered short here. The risk reward does not make sense anymore. $270 to make 110, 120 sucks. So I was like, but it came back, and I was like, wow, I can enter here. It's still valid. It's still good. Profit target was, I say, the liquidation level here. That's a 1 to 4 risk reward. Chill, $400 gain. I had to cover myself a lot from that. Look at the push there. Wow. Yeah, first minutes. It's crazy because sometimes you see the first minutes and it pushes so much, and then you see days like where it just picks up. Hey, it's you need to just be more patient for sure. Now we're already pushing at the next level, and right now we're taking it out. Wow, guys, what do we see in the hour chart right now? Then, if we are doing that, if we're already taking the previous level, that look, that's crazy. That's crazy. Already are taking this one too. By Grok? Hi there. Who's Grok? Who's Grok? From who's Grok? It's like by Grok? The Grok? Who's Grok? Is the AI of Twitter, of X? But welcome to the channel. Appreciate you for coming. I don't know who is Grok. Who's Grok? Is it the AI of Twitter? Grok. Who's Grok? Grok. Grok. Yeah, it's the AI of Twitter. Right? Yeah, it's an AI product. Yeah, okay. So Grok advised my channel. Wow, that's so interesting. Yes, Grok there, yeah. Hey, let me ask, what are the best trading channel that are honest and show reality for traders and they live stream? Let's see. I'm asking Grok. Grok doesn't know. I never used Grok. It was not connected to Twitter, so. That's so crazy that Grok advised me. Trader live, why is not? Umar Ashraf. Let's see. What are you trading? Omar Ashraf, damn good trading. Dekmar, Ariel, the trading battles. No, I'm not there. How the heck did you get me there? I'm a small channel. Wow, guys, look. Oh, wow, look at this push. Wow. And I took this fraction. Imagine that. This is 2 contracts. That is the fun. Just for curiosity. This is like a $800 win with 2 macros. And I took only this long. Crazy. Future trader with prop firms. No, I said no. Live streamers and traders on YouTube that trade with props. Patrick Wheeland trades by Matt. Top Step TV. I mean, yeah, it makes sense. Damn good trading. Okay. Joy Morgan trade with Jazz. She's beating me. She's there. Yeah, I'm not appearing. Not appearing. I'm too small for that. Guys, we're freaking pushing. And gold as well. Look at the gold. Probably that's that was the best entry in gold. It was that 3 minutes candle here, but it's, yeah, this one, because we liquidated the previous one and we pushed above the level. Enter here, stop loss here, look for 1-to-1 risk reward. Easy to say. Even from to the highs here, it's already 1-to-1. Yeah, 1-to-2 there. And right now you're already almost a 1-to-2 here. Yeah, this was could have been a re-entry here, but it's too easy to say afterwards, like always. But that was a nice entry. Could have been a nice entry at that time. What was the time there? 9:30. When market open. I'm gonna wait. An entry can come there. Seriously? Wow, I didn't know that, Mohammed. That's some crazy shit. That's some crazy shit. Guys, we grabbed all this triple high. So the high I was looking for a continuation push, we just grabbed. We just grabbed. You know, if it was something forming here, like a level, come back, push, and then holding a level, then I would be like, let's aim for these levels. We have a stop loss, we have a risk reward, but you can see it even with a 3-minute chart where we don't have that much. Interesting situation. Tomato, did you request payout? I didn't ask you. I mean, I think I asked you. Did you request payout? I'm gonna punch you, man. If you didn't request. After this move is crazy. This is a FOMO move. This is like a FOMO move. You're really AMSA will FOMO in it. That's crazy candle. We're closing in 1 minute. No, in 6 seconds. So tell me, how can you look for bearish trades right now? You cannot, because we're closing very strong the new hour channel, our candle right now. So what is aiming for? Maybe this next high is this area that has been a resistance and support. Oh my God, support and resistance. Maybe it's aiming for this area right now. Even that, but even that, it's just better to wait and have a better range. Okay. Okay, Tomato. Okay. Look, I'm going to speak about a friend. And yesterday he texted me, and this morning he texted me. No, yesterday he texted me. He was like, I feel sick, Hamza. And he did this. But we can comment as much as we want. But in the end, everything is internal. Everything goes inside. Everything goes inside emotions, and each one of us is different, right? So this is a friend. He's a good trader. He's positive on his trading this year, but not big positive. Little positive. You know, he's up and down. He requested a payout with Apex, got accepted nicely, and he traded 5 more days. And he had 5 consecutive trading days where he made more than $200. More than $50 at least to request another payout. And we spoke, and I told him, oh, look, you have already the 5 days. You just need to flip 3 days, and you will get your payout because you already have 5 trading days over $50. And he told me, honestly, that's a good point. But I will try to trade it normally, and maybe if I can get a maximum payout. So because he could have requested 1,700 payouts, but he was like, maybe I can get a maximum payout. That is $2,000 in Apex. What happened is that he blew it. And then he was like, I feel sick because I could have requested this money. I just needed to flip 3 days. And that's what I always say to people, is that don't take as granted your initial success in trading. As much as I would love for you to be successful and make money, take some money out. You've been enough in this trading career to know that anything can turn in 1 week, in 1 day. And taking some money out, pay yourself, put them in your bank account, spend this money, and then after you have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 payouts consecutive, you're like, yeah, I'm consistent. I can request bigger payouts. I can grow my accounts bigger. I can do this. 100%, do that. I support that because you have data that show that you're a good disciplined trader no matter what. So always have advice. If you are still there, 14 for payouts, get that payout outside. Get that freaking payout outside. Get that payout outside, guys. Oh, I love each one of you guys in a fraternity way. And I care about your emotional level, guys. You can still trade, my friend. How much drawdown you have, even if you request payout today? 5,000, 6,000. Man, that's enough. Request a payout. Take some money out. Pay yourself, because it's not even a case. We were speaking with the Mufti the cat a few days ago that if you request a payout, you have $50 of drawdown, and you're like, what the fuck? Yeah, if you request a payout and you don't have any drawdown, then you're ready to blow up the account. But if you have 6,000 and you request 2,000 and you still have 4,000, wow, man, 7,250. You request 2,000 and you still have 5,000, man. You're good. You're chill. Especially, I don't know which profile you use. Which profile are you using, Tomato? Because I don't know which profile you use. It doesn't matter that much. But yeah, Mufti will tell you the same. Mufti is here. Tomato has a balance of $7,250, and it's been days I've been telling him, request a payout, take some money out, take some money out, please take some money out. Top step. Oh man, yeah, request payout. Because you can request up to 50%, but you are not obliged to request up to 50%, even if you right, you're not obliged. You can request even $500. You request an amount that makes you happy, $2,000, $2,250. You request $2,250, so you have $5,000 inside, and you start again to build it up, and then request again. Every time you can request a payout, do it. Especially at the beginning, even if it's $500, do it. I do believe with Top Step you can request full payout after 30 days over $200 or stuff like that. But even that, this does not block you to request payout anytime. Yeah, but forget the 30 days, because even the 30 days, I do remember, does not block you to request payout during the 30 days and does not change. So get your money out, man. $2,000, pay yourself, sit in your bank account, go out for dinner. Feel grateful that for the actions you have done in the last period, and then focus on the next period to get again. So until the money is not out, it's not your money. Until your money is not out, it's not your money. Guys, this is a 3-minute chart, and it's not a 1-hour chart. This is not a freaking 50-minute chart. This is a 3-minute chart, and we're just pushing. Guys, I swear to you, prop firms. Guys, I met a guy last day, and I told him that I work for Apex, and he told me, these guys, they put I had an order, they put an order, and I was like, man, listen to me. Prop firms, they don't care. They don't need to put an order for you to blow up. Traders blow up by themselves. Prop firms don't need to put orders on your accounts. They really don't care. That's why there is a freaking competition of putting the price so low, because they make so much money, they don't care to put you on order. You blow up anyway. Traders blow up anyway. 98% of the traders blow up. So the fact that they don't care, there is such a big competition right now when prices are going lower. Imagine 2 years ago when prices were $200, $300. Top Step was selling $150, top step 1, step 2, and then activation fee. Imagine that, how much money they were making. And right now they're thinking to make $50 without activation fee. Imagine how much money they were making. It's insanity when you think about that. Patrick Williams opened a prop firm right now as well. Patrick Williams. He opened a crypto prop firm, if you saw it. Yeah, so that's why every time I say, guys, if you can request a payout, do it. Especially if you can request a payout and still have a lot of drawdown, do it, because you are in the top 1%. Are you still that strong to say that you can stick in the top 1% for the next 6 months? I wish, because all of you in this chat deserve it to be. But we have to be realistic on the human side and the market conditions, how everything can change. Yeah, just a flat fee. Yeah, it's this market of prop firms is evolving so freaking fast. Let's think about that. Thanks to Apex was the first one. Thanks to Apex, the prices went low fast, because Apex was doing a lot of 90%. So a lot of 90%. Top Step had to put discounted prices as well, remove top step 2, and many things. And imagine now they're gonna even remove that activation fee. Mind blown. Now it's crazy. Look at my take profit. Ah, mamma mia, guys. Mamma mia, for $90 more could have been $300. Let's see how it wants to evolve. 25,000 here above big level. I do remember that 25,000 big level. We will see how it evolves. We still have 20 minutes. Just want to see how the market wants to evolve here. What wants to do? Does it wants to come back, create maybe a support? Right now is huge push. Crazy. Wow, guys, that's insane. What is yesterday high, guys? Oh, yesterday high is that one. Oh la la, that's the high is crucial as well. We're gonna get it in. We're engulfing the previous body here. Yesterday high is at 959. Wow. The website, yes, is still out right now. Still has problems. Yeah, the website still has problems. Yeah. Developers are on the problem, man. It's just a lot of work. I don't know what is the issue behind that, but they worked yesterday until night. They had a temporary fix. They were gonna work again this morning, but it somehow did not hold. Now, yeah. So they're working a lot in it. See you, Tomato. Request payout, or I kick your ass. One win the level, you would have taken a long. I mean, if you went long today on the evaluations process, oh my god. Any long, you just freaking take longs. My god, guys. Yeah, don't do like Abdel, that he was like, I'm gonna request payout, and then he blew it up. Abdel, the master of blowing accounts at payouts. Yeah, not much, guys. I'm just there is these previous days highs that are interesting, but it looks like he wants just to go high and break them. There is not really opportunity for us to take any entry and be like, there is an aim, right? An aim, yeah. So if we had something here coming lower a little bit, maybe this possible little bit of support here, you know, coming back, grab this push, coming back, maybe you can think about it. But even that right now, only if we don't take these previous highs, then you will be thinking about it. No FOMO, no FOMO, no FOMO. Woo-hoo, no FOMO, no FOMO, no FOMO, no FOMO. 3 consecutive green days if we don't do stupid shit today. 3 consecutive green days. Da-da-da-dum. Refrescante. Aquatónica. Refrescante. Here in Paraguay is so hot, guys. Guys, I'm gonna make a video about Paraguayan taxes with a guy here that he knows all about taxes in Paraguay. So I will ask some question. I might ask some question to you if you want to ask some. I already broke the previous highs, guys. It's bullshit. We cannot do much. But nice questions about the Paraguay system. How can it be interesting for someone like you? Like, let's say, for example, you are a successful trader trading prop firms. Does a Paraguayan tax residency make sense? Answers around that, digital nomads, how hard it is, how easy it is. It's full of Brazilian here, man. What is the time? I'm long right now at 25,200 in a bill. My God, man, you're already at 25,200. Wow, you're crazy, man. I would have already been out right now. Your previous days has been taken out right now. There is the 2,500 above. That's a big level as well. So that's up to you. Depending on what in your strategy, Nabil. Brazilians is full of Brazilians here. A lot of Brazilians come here. A lot of student Brazilians come here to study medicine, because it's much cheaper in Paraguay than in Brazil. Brazil is expensive to study medicine. So many Brazilians come here to study medicine, and business-wise, because taxation and everything. Guys, it's crazy, this market. Does someone know that Nvidia gains are good? I'm happy I took my trade there, but wow. Alaikum salam, Nabil. I was born in Morocco. I'm in Paraguay. Well, you're from in California. Where in California? Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco. I've been in Los Angeles. I've been in Yosemite. Santa Monica, Los Angeles. I was there. I believe I was there. I'm not sure, but I was in Los Angeles area. I went to Venice Beach to check it out. Crazy, guys. If you're thinking about go to Los Angeles and go to Venice Beach, just go there with the intention of watching at people, not the beach, watching at people. The weirdest people ever in the world, you're gonna see them in Venice Beach. Someone was walking toward me, and I was like, what the fuck, he wants this guy speaking like that aggressively? And instead he was speaking with an imaginary person and not me. Yeah, but Los Angeles itself, the city itself, I did not like it, but I liked more the beach side. I was in the South Orange County, I think. It was nice. The beach is nice. The environment is nice. I enjoyed that part. Man, yeah. It's crazy we escape our countries for better life, and then we're like, wow, it's much better. That's the funny things of this world, man. We should make money in a bill and go to other countries to live. It can be North Africa, Algeria, Morocco. It can be freaking go to Southeast Asia, or go to South America. Much better life. People are happier. They're nicer. Food is good. Right now we're taking previous day's highs, so that's one critical point here. Thus, this one is the correction that will come and push lower the price. Maybe yes. I don't think I'm gonna trade anything anymore, because if we created something prior to this, I would have looked for longs. But right now that it took the previous day's highs, it pushed already. I'm happy where I am right now. Worthy gains. I'm gonna leave it there because right now that you came, I'm gonna say goodbye, guys, because there is not much to do, to be honest. Here, this thing's pushed. Apex 80% is there, guys, with $40 lifetime fee. You can use it. Is my code? Is my name is Hamza, and that is the code of Apex. If the website comes back running, hopefully, that is the best promotion wise on active evaluation and activation totally, because you can pay $72 for an account. Guys, for the rest, I made, I believe, $4,000 on day, 4,429. It's a beautiful day. Could have been done a little bit better, but it is what it is. We accept it. Love you all, guys. Have a beautiful day. See you tomorrow on a Thursday to trade again. Peace and love, guys. Be disciplined. Follow your rules. Be the best trader you want to be right now that you're looking for like a year. You know, sometimes we think one day I want to be this trader. No, the trader has to be now. One day I want to be that disciplined trader. No, that trader has to be now. That day I want to be the trader that follows the rules. That trader has to be now. Not tomorrow, not the next day, now. If you think about a trader I want to be this trader that follows the rules, follows the stop loss, follows the take profit. This trader has this capacity, mental capacity, respect of rules. These characteristics have to be yours now. Not tomorrow, not the next days. So remember that every time, guys, you are right now working right now for the trader you want to be. It's now you have to do the action. It's now that you have to be strong of stepping out from the computer if you finished trading. Don't stay here watching it just because maybe you can take another trade. You're breaking rules. Follow your execution. The rest does not matter. The long run is what matters, and you will see it when you keep doing this and this and this for a month. Discipline is there and becomes so easy to be a trader. Sorry, easier a little bit to be a trader. Guys, love you all. Hello, Brave. See you next time. See you tomorrow. See you everyone. See you guys. Have a beautiful time.